In this lesson, we will learn how to create a basic Weldment structure. Before we start to create any structure, first we have to activate Weldment tools. All of those tools are available inside Weldment tab. To activate that tab, right click anywhere on these tabs and select Weldments. Now go inside these Weldments, and there are few new tools are showing here. Few tools are new here, as well as few tools are really very common, as for example this extruded. If I go inside this features tab, this extruded or this fillet which is available inside these weldments. But inside it, structural member or weldment or trim, extend, all of these tools are new here. By combining all of these tools, we will create some weldment profile. To create a weldment structure, this is very important that you have to create a sketch. So go inside this sketch, activate this sketch tool, select front plane. On this front plane, create a rectangle and put some dimension. I will go with 10 by 15. Now close this sketch. Based on this sketch, I will create weldment structure. Go inside this weldment tab, activate structural member. By using this tool, I will be able to create that structure. Inside this properties manager, I have to select profile type and size. Inside this standard, drop down menu, select ISO or NC inch. Then inside this type, select square tube. Based on this selection, this will also filter the size. So go inside this size. There are 3 different sizes are available. Go with 2 by 2. And now inside this group, I have to select all of this sketch. Select this group and inside it, select this 2 line. Now it is showing me preview. Now go to bottom. This is group 1 which is created automatically when I selected these 2 lines. Inside this group 1, there are 2 lines are showing here. When I am selecting it, it is highlighting here. Now let's say I want to create another group. Select new group. And inside this new group, I have to select few more line. Now select this line and this line. Now go to bottom, you can see inside this group 2, I selected this 2 line, and inside group 1, I selected this 2 line. When I selected group 1, it is highlighting this group 1, and this is group 2, this is highlighting this group 2. Inside this group 2, let's select line 1, it will highlight only line 1. And this is line 4. If you want, you can select all of this line inside one group. Delete group 2. Group 1 selected, select this path segments. Inside this box, select these 2 lines also. Now press OK, and this is a simple weldment structure.